see, I've started my breakfast. Oh, it's so good. I like that spread. He gonna like it too. We just tried it. It's brand new. That came from Artie's. The garlic and herb spread. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. And yeah. Hey y'all. We are here at Walmart. Doing our little thing. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I freaking love this. Oh, they got Christmas stuff out. Oh my God, Kira. Oh my goodness.
Mama, and then they pretty. Ooh, that's vanilla. Oh, I like.
That's really soft. How that one smell? Not so good.
Oh, I didn't smell it.
They all smell good. But this one is my best. Yeah. That best so far. Oh, they got a wood one with a wood lid. It's really cute. The bowls, I freaking love these. Kira, I want these. Look at those. Like, what would I use this little bowl for? But this one right here, I could do some damage. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that whole little set area is cute. Ooh, this color.
That color right there.
Yeah, that's gray. This one. Yeah, I like this color. This is cute. I like that. Look at over here. This is really nice. Oh, look at that jumpsuit.
Oh, that's like the one I got from Target.
Oh, I like this. This is only $27. Oh, man. That's cute. Do y'all see this? This is Reebok. They got this at Walmart, y'all. Look, they so cute. Look at how cute they look. They got all little matching sets, and then they got these sports bras. And then they got these over here, y'all. Look. What's my favorite? Let me show y'all this right here. Look at this. Isn't that cute? This. That is pretty. And I don't know how much it is. Oh, $50. I freaking love these stems. These right here. And then those. So cute. Look at them up there. That yellow is like standing out. Are you kidding? It's saying, hello, summer is not over. So cute. Look at that baby down there. I'm about to start making my cheesecake. So the first thing I want to do is start cutting. Start taking the tops off of the strawberries, cutting them in half, putting them in the bowl. Cut them anyway. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put the cream cheese in. Alright. So, of course I over poured. But it's okay. And, ooh, it looks so good. In the fridge, guys. And let it chill. It's not as firm yet, but wait a minute, y'all. Honey. It's so good. It is so. Listen. It's so creamy.